Okay, good morning. It's day 4 of our ride. We are now at the Jasmine Resort in Mae Hong Son. So today is the only day that we're leaving a bit late. Since today the trip is, we are going to Ban Rak Thai, the place I'm looking forward to. It's about an hour from here. So we plan to check out at 12 and head towards Ban Rak Thai and hopefully be there by 1. The check-in is only at 2 o'clock. So what we're going to do today is, number 1, we'll be heading out. Me and Harley will be going to the Chamber of Commerce to get our certificates. And then from there, we will come and check out at 12. We'll be going to the Feel Good Cafe for lunch, and then from there head over to Ban Rak Thai. So I managed to get up a bit earlier, and thanks to Harjit, he has a cloth, so I managed to get some water and just wipe down the bike so it doesn't look that dirty. I mean, it still looks dirty, but at least the most of the dirt is wiped away. Okay, so let's go to the Chamber of Commerce and get our certs. So it's a very nice place, this resort. It's very quiet. Apparently they're expecting 50 guests today. And yes, there's a dog. Okay, thankfully it's not going to
Thank you very much for all this.
Morning.
Good morning.
Morning. Morning, bro.
Morning, bro.
Morning, Val.
Morning.
Is she coming? Constantly?
No. She said carry on.
You get on, huh?
Okay.
Okay, sir, I'll go and come. Very good.
Thank you.
See you
Thank you.
later.
See you.
Okay.
Thank you.
This one is very good. He won't say anything. Yeah. He's scared of us actually. So the sunflower thing,
Ah,
he said you should see on the way back when it's supposed to be very tasty. Here there's a place to eat restaurant just down the road from here. Chambers, that's what it is.
I think so. Can we cross this? For being Monday, not very busy.
But this road, maybe the town. She don't eat, your wife.
No, we had we bought bun yesterday. Where here?
Can buy more sticker?
Yes.
Can buy extra sticker?
Yes.
Can. Good.
One sticker I have.
Any other sticker you have?
One sticker 40 baht.
Okay. Show me the sticker. Oh, check the sticker.
Okay lah.
So you want one set?
Like
this.
One set you can see name and
Yeah.
second
Okay.
name.
Okay. So this is our YouTuber from Malaysia. I think he's beautiful.
So we put one here.
And then we go zoom in like that. Gynae and the Harley. Zoom out like that.
Okay, let's go one more. Yeah.
One more. And we're doing one more.
Shall I put down on top, you think?
Sini ada tempat.
Ah, okay lah. Right in the center.
Cross center. Yeah, down a bit. Gynae on the Harley. So here he puts his sticker. Put his name mark on Mae Hong
Can you
Son.
focus on this?
This one is, I don't know lah, which group this one? Daba group. Ride your dreams. Got car photo, but I don't see anybody driving car. All coming by bicycle.
Okay, cukup.
Okay. How?
Oh, this is commerce, and what is this?
Money.
Oh, there's another one there, bro.
Come on, see. I think the last time we came, all these were closed, you know.
Yeah. Maybe this was the place where they moved there.
Maybe that. That looks a bit like up. I don't know.
Yeah. Yeah.
No one.
They probably closed shop. I think they moved there.
Come.
So this is probably the previous place where they made the stickers.
I think they shifted their side. Here, a small restaurant.
Yes, are they better? Sometimes the smallest one is the one main food.
Okay, the time is 11:40 and we're leaving the resort. Thank you. Yep. Okay, so the first order of business is to fuel up. We only have 57 kilometers left in the tank. So I'll just probably fill halfway first and see. Makan. Now wait to the side first. Let's check and see if I'll follow you, huh? Okay, the Fuigu Cafe is closed, so we've decided to come to this place, which is just opposite the resort that we stayed. That's our resort there, and this is where we're coming. This is Pad Thai.
They
This
took 10,000
is
deposit already lah.
omelette with
That's the sun
pork. And this is rice with some vegetables. Okay, time now is 1 o'clock. It's time to leave. So the first stop is to get a picture at the Mae Hong Son entrance. That's a landmark arch where most people will stop to get a picture. So let's see if we can get one done there. Okay, look. Okay, so we've taken a picture at the Welcome to Mae Hong Son Arch. And now we are ready to move. So it's going to take us 55 minutes to Ban Rak Thai. It's about 47 kilometers away. So we should be reaching there close to 2 p.m. Which is just nice because the check-in to the rooms are at 3. $850 meters, take a right. Okay. Both side looks empty. Think Ken? Using Waze or Google Map? We are now 11 kilometers straight. Ban Rak Thai, 34 kilometers. Waterfall, fish cave. So another 12 kilometers. Wow, the road ahead is very loopy. Nice. This is 26. Yeah, why is open? Food bank. Ban Rak Thai, Ban Rak Thai Farm Link. Welcome to Ban Rak Thai, the land of the Yunnanese Chinese village. Yeah, that's good. Yeah. Last time we parked here with difficulty. Yep. I think we should find parking there. Yeah. We go first because the turn is to park somewhere here. Come down, come down. Where you take a left? Okay.
Yes, yes. See the signboard.
Are you sure can go up, huh? Okay, okay, okay. So I want to park down here, lah. I'll tell you what, I'll park down here, bro. Okay. See where to park. Resort. I wonder whether we can park here. Where's the security? Eh? Huh?
Have to go up.
No, where's the someone here? I've got parking, huh? Yeah. Right.
Upstairs, lobby.
Lobby, yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, so I'm now walking up. Rak Thai homestay. So this is the park up. It's not very clear on the video, but it's actually quite steep. And since my wife was at the back, I've got a heavy bag attached with my pannier bags full of luggage. I just didn't want to take a risk. If I was going alone, maybe I could have tried it. But because my wife was still in, I just didn't want to take the risk. But anyway, better be safe than sorry. Once the bike drops, it's a nightmare trying to pick it up, especially at a steep ascent like this. Okay, I think the resort's up there. Let's go. Now you could see this. You can see the road. It's just turning a steep uphill. Probably need to go wide. Yeah, can be done. Almost there. Thankfully. Bro, probably if I come alone, maybe lah, but her at the back.
Yeah, that's why you should go to the room first.
Okay.
These two ours lah.
Okay.
Okay,
Bathroom there.
inside.
Oh, inside.
Yeah, let's go take photograph for you. We're going to
Okay, thanks. Careful, that's.
Just WhatsApp lah, bro, anything.
Okay, what's the plan, huh?
You want to go down to town now? Hungry ah?
Later lah.
Rest first, change out first.
Okay.
Maybe we meet around 4 o'clock, 4:30.
Okay, okay. So, not bad. There's a nice porch with synthetic grass facing the outside. Room. Attached bathroom. And okay, it's now 5:30 p.m. and we're at Ban Rak Thai. This is how it looks in the evening. We're just going to go for a walkabout. Let's go. They also have a campsite, and you can bring your own camp and tent, and pitch it up, but you need to pay for the space. Ah, yalah. But you see, it's not even flat, Suddenly imagine if something run across. I can join Bhangra competition already, my leg can go up. Yeah, that's right. Why? It's not hop on taxi.
Let's go with the link right now. But not everything is available on booking.com. Yeah, must be lah. There's you up lah. Yeah.
Oh, sini lah. Can?
You and me?
Can? Okay, so you're going to go for a boat ride. We're trying to buy tickets for the boat ride.
Oh no, this one also no reception. One boat 40. 3.
40.
40 baht.
3 คนที่บ้าน450
Yeah. When it matters. Okay, bros. Nice.
Tangan lah. This is our boat captain. Small young boy. That's the lake. Oh, no. That's the lake. Actually, even this is good, huh? The houses down here. I really say it's much more better than this. I went for a big premium here.
So this one,
Sit here.
Maybe there's a website. Go to own website.
Google up and see.
Okay, just look behind of you. There's a noodle shop out there. Shop. Now you can see there's a I'm not sure. You can shop to that side. Right there, you see? Further away. I think they even drop every boat is different.
Yeah, this boat has a seat at the back. Okay guys, say hi.
Hello.
It's very, very cold and nice. That's our captain. Captain Tina Curran.
Okay.
This one, you know what that lah.
Yeah.
Spoil lah. We have discotheque clubs.
Many people don't know what this is. That's the third bonus. You also wouldn't have known if they you're like, no lah. I said, no, you should know. Right? Okay, let's go. Only 1 hour from there, right? They gave a rescue there, but they told us, no, our check-out time was coming. So,
Okay, so this is how the boat ride is like. It's about almost half an hour. It's 450 baht for 3 people. So basically they will take you around the lake. You can see there are many boats already here. They will also give you a pot of tea that you can sip on during the ride.
I had Indonesia last time. Oh, she was very long. It was almost 10 years.
Definitely a must place to visit for those who have not been to Ban Rak Thai.
So now let's walk inside.
So after this, we'll be heading out to look a place for dinner and then head back to the hotel.
After we park the bike here,
We walked.
we walk all the way.
See, the top there is empty.
Maybe up.
Okay, this is the end of the trip.
And careful, it's the string.
Yep.
Look topple and fall. I will say topple and fall, I will fall. Careful.
Thank you.
Just like very easy.
Just careful, don't drop your stuff. Okay.
These are, I think, the local alcohol.
Oh.
Rak Thai.
They are portraying a drama.
Spicy gluten. Here for barbecue.
Wah, coconut ice cream cone apa ni? oily rice with baked chicken. Oily rice.
You're going to see it?
Yeah. Hello. Yeah. They've got a place to eat at the back also. Yeah, I know.
Where's sticker? Where's sticker?
Oh yeah, I brought.
Brought ah?
I brought.
See?
So we've got a lot of bike stickers here.
Wrong with the clothes.
Okay, this is our dinner place. We are sitting next to the lake.
This is a hot boat lah. Its lights are yellow. All others red. Not bad, food is fast. There's some more coming. I think better push this one all aside and get a place to put the food. Put the sink so here.
One more. One more. So we just had dinner at this place called Cafe Ban Din, and now we're just going for a walk around town, seeing how the nightlife looks like. Apa yang mau beli?
Oh, African twin, bro. African twin.
Oh, yeah.
Let's see where he's from. What market, bro? Yeah, alright. This is 145.
Ah,
Very good. Need the socks only now.
what?
These two boys and girls shivering and this one walking half naked.
Yeah.
Whenever you go overseas also, I will just take one.
Oh, yes, I got a fitting area.
Orang putih ada sini.
Oh, sana pun ada. Okay, the time now is 9:15 p.m. We're heading back to our rooms to call it a night. So tomorrow's plan is to get up at about 8, go down for breakfast at about 9 a.m. and then check out at about 11, heading towards Doi Itanon. So that's it for our day 4 vlog. See you in the next one.
Yeah, but
Bye.
because when we went for all the nice makan all, we walked like this. My sister, then